The next time you fire up the grill, throw on some of your favorite vegetables for an easy way to add healthy options to your outdoor feast. Here's how you get started. There are plenty of grill-friendly options available, like onion, corn, asparagus, and bell pepper. When picking tomatoes for the grill, make sure they're ripe and slightly soft, so they give a bit when you press on them. For squash or zucchini, choose ones under 6 inches. They have the most flavor. Next, cut vegetables into the same thickness for even grilling. And be sure to coat the vegetables with oil to boost flavor and keep them from sticking to the grill. Skewer similar-sized pieces with similar cook times together. Place smaller veggies like green beans or cherry tomatoes in a grilling basket. Now it's time to fire up the grill. Vegetables cook quickly over an open flame, so stick to medium heat, or about 350 degrees. Finally, be sure to pull veggies off the grill before they dry out. Corn needs 10 minutes of cook time, while tomatoes need around 15 minutes. Skewers of onion, bell pepper, and zucchini need 10 to 15 minutes of grill time. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.